Can you speak English for 1 minute without stopping? Let's check yourself. Let's say if I ask you that, talk about your hobbies continuously. If I ask that, are you going to explain about your hobbies or are you going to narrate about your hobbies? Hi everyone, my name is Sarala and today in this video I am going to tell you how you can able to speak for 1 minute, okay, without preparation. This is personally my experience, and at the end of the video I will give you a bonus tip for you. Okay, so please watch the video till the end. So let's dive into the video. How I can able to speak on any topic with the help of one trick. So what is that trick? Which is prep trick. So what is that prep means? P means point, R means reason, E means example, and P means point again. So let's say I'm going to take one example so that you can understand how you can use this method while you are speaking. Okay, let's say I'm going to talk about books. Okay, so books are one of my favorite hobbies because when I'm reading books I learn a lot of things, especially new words, new sentences, and while I'm reading the books I feel very relaxed and I get to learn a lot of words and sentences. That's why I like reading books very much. That's it. This is simple. Okay, you just remember the point while you are speaking, and when you are speaking just pause. Okay, don't give too much of gap while you are speaking. Okay, not that much gap. Okay, so while you are speaking just give some time and think about it. While you are speaking just understand the question. If somebody is giving the topic, or if you are talking about any topic, just think about the topic and you have to explain about it. Okay, just give the time to your brain. So without knowing anything you can't explain about the topic. Or I already told you at the end of the video I'll give you the bonus tip, right? So the bonus tip is filler words. Talking about filler words, so filler words is also very important. Okay, not ha and this kind of filler words while you are speaking, so that is not good. But I'll give you the tip that most people used, most foreigners definitely use this while they are speaking. I don't know how many people are observed in their interviews or anywhere. So mostly the podcast, if you can watch any podcast, if somebody asks the question, just you can think about it. You can use some of the words like filler words. Filler words means not ha, that kind of words. I'm saying that. So in that particular gap, you can use the words like. So you can say like, well, yeah, that's an interesting question. So and you can repeat the question as well. So if, for example, if the person is asking that, what is your favorite film? So you can say, well, my favorite film is, so like that. When you are repeating that or giving some time, so that is the place you can think about what to talk next. Are you getting my point? I think whatever I'm saying, it's clear to you, right? So that is what I do every single time. Just follow this prep method. Okay, just take some time and think about it, then you can talk about it. Okay, so this is what you should do, and this is what I do whenever I speak on any random topic. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll catch you in another video. Till then, take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.